So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to install Spectrum app on Google TV, download, login and fix not working. So how to install Spectrum app on Google TV? Open Google Play Store on Google TV home screen, then search Spectrum TV, select official app and then tap install. Then launch app post install. Enter Spectrum, enter your username, password or activate via code at spectrum.net/activate. So the next step is sign in to stream live TV on demand. Clear cache, restart if issue arise. So check device compatibility. Make sure your device runs Google TV, Android TV OS 10 or later. Supported device include Google TV powered smart TVs and Chromecast with Google TV. The Spectrum TV app is only available for supported Android Google TV versions. Unsupported OS versions will not show the app in the Play Store. To check version, press the quick settings button, the gear icon on your remote, then open the fast access menu for system details without deep navigation. Select settings, then system, then about. Leads to device specs where OS info resides. And scroll to Android TV OS version. Example Android 14. Display the exact version, build number and security patch for compatibility checks like app installs. Second one is download Spectrum app from Google Play Store. Open Google Play Store on your Google TV, then search for Spectrum TV. Select the app and choose install or get. Installing directly from the Play Store, ensure you get the official updated version required for login and streaming. Third step is sign in to the Spectrum app. Open the Spectrum TV app, then choose sign in, then enter your Spectrum username and password. Logging in links the app to your Spectrum subscription and unlock live TV and on-demand content. Then if Spectrum app is not showing in Play Store, update Google TV system software, then restart the TV. Check your Google account region, must be US. App availability depend on OS version and region settings. Update refresh Play Store compatibility. Then the fifth step is fix Spectrum app not opening or crashing. Go to settings, then app, then Spectrum TV. Select force stop. Select clear cache, reopen the app. Clearing cache removes corrupted temporary files that cause freezing or black screen. Sixth step is fix login or playback errors. Confirm your Spectrum internet connection is active. Restart modem and router. Sign out and sign back into the app. Spectrum TV verify your account and location through your network. A fresh connection restore proper authorization. Seventh step is fix this app is not supported error. This is very common error. Ensure you are not using a VPN. Confirm the device is Google TV, not Fire TV OS or any other brand. So when VPN and unsupported platform can block Spectrum region and device checks. Last step is reinstall the Spectrum app. Uninstall Spectrum TV app, restart Google TV, reinstall from Play Store, login again. A clean reinstall fix persistent app corruption and update failures. Thank you. And these are the simple steps which can help you to fix your problem.